All my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Village Mathalee. Today I am going to tell you how to make very natural drinks, blue butterfly pea drinks. This one is 100% natural homemade drink. First of all, my guys, I would like to tell you now is the time move away from chemical, completely 100% natural. Okay, let's see the guys how to make blue butterfly pea drink. You have picked the flower and dry it in the sun. But keep in the mind you have to wash it before dry. Insect may be there. When you wash it, insect normally come out. You have dry the flowers 9 to 12 in the morning. Don't dry flowers in the hot sun. Let's see how to make in the blue butterfly pea flower. Now I will open the jar and get require water and add into the jar. Like this, you can see how to I make. And I will let it boil. Until it boil, I will explain what are the pros and cons of this drink. This one 100% natural and it is very good for your health. You need to take this in limited amount. Don't take this drink too much. If you take this drink too much, it will cause to your abdomen pain and headache, diarrhea and nausea. Rarely it comes for a diarrhea, drink of this tea too much. Now water is boiling, you can see also. I will turn the switch off. Get the hot water and pour into the glass. Okay, you can see like this, and I will pour the hot water into the glass. You can see properly how to I made the blue butterfly pea drink. Now here are the flowers I already dried. Now add these flowers into the glass and keep cover 5 minutes. I will mix this in the spoon like this. You have to mix it and keep it boiling. Now you can see the difference of the color of water. It's getting blue and turn into boiled water to the blue color like this. This is the I made from before, and this drink very good and very helpful your body. Now just see, you can see the flower and the water, it normally get in blue. Now the water has changed into the blue color. It already turned into the blue. I will go to next steps. Now I am going to strain this water to the glass. Okay, let's see. I strain the water to the glass. This is the blue butterfly pea drink. If you need, you can add some lime juice or lemon juice to this drink. When you add lime juice to these drinks, you can see the difference. It's normally turned into the color purple. If you have any mucus problems or if you suffer from gastritis, you don't add any lime juice or lemon juice. It is not good for your health. It will affect to increase gastritis. Now you can see the difference of the glass. The color is vice versa. One is purple, the other one is blue. This drinks 100% natural and good for the body. I will drink this one. Very delicious drinks, no side effect. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining with me. Let's see you in next video with Village Mathalee.